Hello. See, is it appearing to you? Screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Good. See, what I given, what we discussed in the last class. The first one is proportion or statement. Proportion or statement. A sentence which is either true or false, not both, is called a statement. Already we discussed in the last class. The proportions are denoted by English letters P, Q, R, like that. These are the some of the examples of proportion. Truth value. A proportion is true. A proportion is true. It is denoted by capital T, R1. A proportion is false. It is denoted by capital F, R0. These are called the truth values. Now, atomic proportion. Hello. Atomic proportion. Atomic proportion means simply a single statement. Simply a single statement is called atomic proportion. And molecular or compound proportion. Compound proportion means if you combine the two proportion with the connectives, then it is called the compound proportion or molecular proportion. Now come to the connectives. Connectives already we discussed. The first one is negation. There is a total 5 connectives. In the 5 connectives, the first one is negation. Already we discussed in the last class. Negation means the opposite statement. Opposite statement to the given statement is called the negation. It is denoted by these symbols. It is denoted by these symbols. These are P is a one proportion. Negation P is denoted by this symbol. Negation P means which is false statement, which is the false to the given statement. Suppose P is the one statement, its negation is false. Suppose P is false, its negation is true. That means this is the false statement to the given statement is called the negation. Already we discussed that one. This is the table. This is the first one. Already I given the 5 questions in assignment. This is the first question. Everyone should by heart these tables. Without tables, we can't do anything in this entire this first unit. The entire first unit is depend upon only this tabular forms. If you know the tabular forms, then you can easily solve any problem. Are you understand? Yes or no?
Correct, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Anyone
sir.
please tell. Yeah. Anyone please tell me what are the negation table? What is the truth table of negation? Please respond. Yes.
Is false and P is false. Negation of P is
Yes. Yes. You are right. Now come to the next one. The next one is conjunction. Conjunction. It is denoted by A and E and or simply this meet. This operation is meet or end operation. So this is the end operation. If you connect the two statements, if you connect the two statement with A and E and or this symbol meet. So that statement is called the combined statement is called the combined statement is called the conjunction. Suppose P is the one statement and Q is the one statement. These two statements combined with A and E and are simply this meet. This symbol meet. So then it is called the conjunction. So this is the truth table of the conjunction. What is the truth table of the conjunction? Anyone please tell me the truth table of the conjunction? Tell me the truth table of the conjunction. Charan. Roll number 4, Charan. Charan. Roll number 4, Charan. Thank you. I will remove you. If you will not respond immediately, I will remove you. Thank you. Yes. Done. Okay. Bhumesh. Bhumesh.
Yes, sir.
Once read the truth table. Truth table of conjunction. See the screen. Bhumesh, please unmute. Please respond. Once read the truth table.
If P and Q are true, then
Yes.
P equation is true.
Yeah.
If P and P is true and Q is false, then P is false.
Yes.
P is false and Q is true, then P is false.
Next.
P is false and Q is false, the both are false.
P and Q. P and Q is false.
Yes.
Yeah. So what is the final conclusion? Both are true, then only P and Q is true. What is the simple logic? Both P and Q are true, then final P and Q is true. That means both are true, then only P and Q is true. In the other cases, it is false. Are you okay? Okay. Thank you, Bhumesh. Very good. Now come to the next one. Now the next one is conjunction. What is the conjunction? Two statements. If you combine the two statement with ORR, if you combine the two statement with ORR, simply it is denoted by this symbol V. This symbol V, it is called ORR. If you combine the two statement with ORR, then the complete combined statement is called disjunction. Disjunction. Now see, this is the truth table of disjunction. Truth table of distinction. If you see this truth table of distinction, there is a total 4 cases. In these 4 cases, both are false. Both P, Q, both are false. Then only P or Q is false. In other 3 cases, it is true. That is the truth table of disjunction, ORR. Okay? Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Dheeras, roll number 23, Dheeras.
Yes, sir.
Yes, once read the table.
Truth table for the disjunction of two prepositions.
Yes,
P, Q, P or Q. P true, Q true, then P or Q is true.
yes,
P true, Q false, P or Q is true.
yes.
P false, Q true, P or Q is true. P false, Q false, then P or Q is false.
Yeah. What are the simple logic? Both are false. Then only
If anyone is
P
true,
or
it is
Q is.
true.
Yes, very good. Thank you. That is complete. This is the third table. The first table is negation. The second table is conjunction. The third table is disjunction. Three are completed. Now come to the next. Next, conditional. What is the next statement? Conditional. Conditional, this is the only one side arrow, right side arrow. The okay, conditional statement. The conditional means the two statements combined with conditional connective. Conditional connective means only right side arrow. Okay, two statements are combined with right side arrow, then the statement is called the conditional statement. In this case, what is the meaning of conditional statement? See this one. If P is happened, then only Q is happened. If P, then Q. The meaning of conditional statement. P conditional Q means if P, then Q. What is the meaning of this conditional statement? If P, then Q. So I will tell you one example. If I come to the college, then only I can teach on the board. Are you understand an example? If I come to the college, then only I can teach on the board. So I come to the college is the one statement P. I will teach on the board is the statement Q. So if the first statement is happen, then only the second statement will be happen. Are you understand? This is the conditional statement. Okay, I given some of the examples. These are the some other words we can denote 1 to 6. You can see if P, then Q. So P implies Q. P is sufficient to Q. So these are all the similar meanings. These are all the similar meanings to the conditional statement. Now come to the direct table. See this one. I already explained these are all the things. Second time I am explaining the all once again. Now see this one. This is the truth table of the conditional statement. The conditional statement means, see this one here. What happened? The first statement is true. The second statement is false. Then only the P conditional Q is false. And in the all other three cases, the P conditional Q is true. That is the truth table. Okay. Yeah. That is the truth table. Roll number Rahul, 8042 Rahul.
Yes, sir.
Yes, read the truth table of conditional statement.
If P and Q are true, if
P conditional
Q.
Q,
P conditional Q are true, then if P is true, Q is false, then P conditional Q is false. P is false, Q is true, then P conditional Q is true. If P is false, Q is false, P conditional Q is true.
Yes, you are exactly right. So here, what can we observe? We can easily observe here. What is that? The first statement is true. The second statement is false. In that case, the P conditional Q is false. In all other cases, the P conditional Q is true. Are you understand? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah. Can I go to next one? Can I go to next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Thank you. The next one is biconditional. What is the next one? Biconditional. What is the biconditional here? See here. If and only if. If and only if means the left side statement is happened, automatically right side will be happened. If right side happened, then only left side is also happened. But in the last statement, biconditional, what happened? There is only one side action from left to right. If P is happened, then Q is happened. But in the reverse statement is not there. Okay, there is only one side direction, but here there is a two side direction. So both side arrow is here. This is called the biconditional. Biconditional means, see, two statements are combined with biconditional. That means it is called the if and only if. If and only if. What is the meaning of if and only if? If and only if means P is happened, then Q is also happened. Suppose Q is happened, P is also happened. Okay, if the right side is true, the left side is also true. So left side is true, then the right side is also true. So left side is false, then right side is also false. The right side is false, then left side is also false. So both sides will happen here. This is the difference between the conditional and biconditional. This is the meaning of if and only if. Symbolically, it is denoted by both side arrow, double arrow. Are you okay? So now come to the truth table. Now come to the truth table of biconditional. What is the biconditional? Two statements are combined with two statements P and Q combined with biconditional. Biconditional means if and only if. Then the statement is called the biconditional. This is the symbol of biconditional is both side arrow, two side arrow. This is the truth table of biconditional. What is the truth table of biconditional? Any one of the here, see, both are true, then the P biconditional Q is true. Both are false, then biconditional P biconditional Q is also true. Okay, both are false or both are true. In that cases, the biconditional is true. In the one, any one of the false, sorry, not any one, exactly one statement is false, then it is false. Or exactly only one statement is true, then it is false. Are you understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Now I will call. Now I am calling to Sai. Roll number 8060.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Read the table. Read the table.
P by conditional
By-
Q is true. If P is true and Q is false, P by conditional Q is false. If P is false and Q is true, P by conditional Q is false. If P and Q are false, the by conditional Q is true.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Sai. Next, 9009, Yamashekar Reddy. Yamashekar Reddy. Once read the table, same table. Yamashekar Reddy. Some of the students not joined with the audio. Yamashekar Reddy. Once I will call the students who are not joined with the audio. Just a minute, my dear students. Roll number Manoj Chaudhary, 8053, 8056, 9009, 9010. Thank you. I will remove these 4 persons. Just a minute, my dear students. I will remove these 3 persons, these 4 persons, then I will teach you. This is mandatory for everyone. They are just joined in the class, but they are not listening. What is the use? What is the use without them? I will remove that 4 persons. 9009 Hemashekar Reddy also. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Yes, I removed that one. Yeah. Come. These are the total 5 tables. My dear students, please tell me any doubts in these 5 tables. Anyone have any doubt in these 5 tables? Yeah. In the assignment, I given these 5 tables to you. In the assignment 1, I given these 5 tables. Everyone should upload these 5 tables. First, you have to by heart the tables. After that, you will upload in the assignment portal. But in the assignment portal, on the each page, you have to write your roll number and your name. That is mandatory. Complete name and complete roll number. Don't write last 4 digits. Write complete roll number. These are the tables already we completed. Now we have to discuss some of the examples. See this one, the first question. What the first question? Construct the truth table for the statement formula P or negation P. P or negation P. I will explain some of the problems on the whiteboard. You will solve the remaining problems in our home. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, see this one. See this one. Construct example. Anyone have any doubt, immediately you will respond in the class. Don't keep doubts with you. Don't feel any side. Don't feel anything. Okay. If you have any doubt, immediately you will raise your doubts in the class only. If it is not possible in the class, then you can contact over the phone or over the WhatsApp or mail or anything. Okay. See, come to the example. Construct. See this one. Construct the truth table for the statement formula. This is the given problem. See the screen, all of you. Yes. Is it appearing, the whiteboard?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But it's not working to me. Just a minute. It's not working to me. 1 minute. Yes, now it is working. Yes. See this one. I will write the see. Yeah. Okay. Anyone please read the problem? Anyone please read the problem? Students, at least one students, please read the problem.
Construct the truth table for the statement formula P negation.
No. P or negation P. Once read it.
P or negation P.
Yes, P or negation P. But here, how many variables are there? Here, see the solution. Variables. How many variables are there? There is only one variable P. If one variable P, if there is a only one variable P, there is a two chances. There is a only one variable P, therefore there is a only two chances for this variable, either true or false. Why? Because P is a statement here. A statement is either true or false. Therefore, if there is a only single variable, there is a only two cases, either true or false. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now come to the next one. The next one is negation P. What is there? First term is P. Already we written P is P. P has the two chances, either true or false. The second one is negation P. So this is the first one is P. P is the one proportion. Or P is the one proportion. This is the single variable. Therefore, there is a only two chances or two cases, either true or false. The second one is negation P. See this one in the problem. The second one is negation P. But already P is there. Already P is there. Now we want the negation P. But already I told to you the negation P. What is the negation P? Suppose P is true, then what is the negation P?
False.
Very good. Suppose P is false, then what is
True.
the negation P? Yes, very good.
True.
Now come to the yes, yeah. See here the now we have to combine these two P and negation P. In the third column, P R negation P. R here R is there, but already you know the table for R. This is the R. R means this is disjunction. Already you know the table for disjunction. What is the disjunction truth table? What is the disjunction truth table? Both are false. Both are false. Then the disjunction is false.
False.
Remaining true.
Yes,
Remaining
remaining
not
true.
true.
Yes. That's why see here P is true, negation P is false. P is true, negation P is false. Then P or negation P, what happened?
True.
Very good. Yes, exactly. Next, P is false, negation P is true. Then
True.
what is? Yes, very good. P or negation P is true. This is the truth table of P join negation P. Sorry, P or negation P or P disjunction negation P. Are you understand? Are you
Yes,
understand?
sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We are
Yes.
understand.
Yes. Very good. Very good. Now come to the next problem. Next problem, I will tell you. Yes. Students, the problems are very, very important. These are the very, very easy problems. Okay. Don't miss the. Okay. Okay. Everyone should practice well. Then you can easily answer the every question also. Yeah. See this one. Anyone please read the problem.
Construct the
Construct
truth table for the statement formula P R negation Q.
Yes. Yeah, Naveen, you are right. Yeah, now here see how many variables are there in this
Two, sir.
problem. Yes,
Two.
very good. Yeah, very good. Solution. There are two variables. Variables are P and Q. Here in this first only single variable, that's why there is only two cases, either true or false. But in this statement, in this given formula, there are two values, two variables P and Q. If there is a two variables P and Q, there is a total 4 chances. What are that? Please tell me.
True.
Yes.
True, false.
Very good.
False, true.
Yes.
False.
Yes. Yeah, you are right. Very good. Yeah. Here there is a total 4 cases are there. So there is a 4 cases. Okay. Here the first variable is P. Already we written that values. And the second variable is Q. This is also written here. But the negation Q is there. P already written. Q already written. Now we want negation Q is we require the negation Q. Yeah. Already tell me Q is
False.
true. Negation Q is false. Yes,
True.
tell me the next one. True.
True. False.
Yeah, false.
True.
Yes, very good. Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now we require already you know the P already you know, and Q negation Q also you already you know these two. Now we have to join these two P and negation Q. So if you join these two, join means disjunction P P disjunction. Already just recall the disjunction table. What the disjunction table?
It's
What
both
is the?
False, false.
Yeah, tell me, tell me. Tell me, my dear students.
If P and Q are false, then P means disjunction Q is false.
Yes, yeah, you are right, Jaswant. Jaswant, you are right. So, according to the table, according to the this is disjunction. Just recall, all of you recall the disjunction table. Disjunction. Disjunction table. According to disjunction table, you can write the answer. P and negation P. P is true, negation P is false.
True.
T true. Next, both are true. T and
True.
T, that true. Next, F and F.
false.
Yes, F and T.
True.
True. So this is the table. Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Can you solve these type of problems?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Now we can discuss some more problem. Yeah. Already I sent the textbook to you. Did you see the textbook? Hello, students. Already I posted the textbook in our module. Okay. Have you seen the textbook in module?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, all of you practice the all problems what are in the module, in the textbook. Our prescribed textbook is Timbly and Manohar. The textbook already posted in your module. You see the textbook and practice the all the problems. Don't leave at least one problem also. You have to practice all the problems what are in the textbook. Don't leave at least one problem, even exercise problem also. Do you have any doubt? You will ask me, I will explain. Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But I am telling once again, I am telling you, don't leave at least one problem also. You should finish all the problems. Now come to the next one. See the anyone please read the problem.
Construct the truth table.
Yes, tell me,
of
Sai.
the- Construct the truth table of the compound preposition
Hmm.
P
Or
or negation Q. Condition
yes,
P
conditional. Yes,
P and Q.
yes, very good. You are right. That reading is very important. That's why I am telling you, everyone should read the problem. Okay, why? Because this is the symbolical language is different and our theoretical language is different. That's why I'm telling everyone should read the problem. So in this given combined proportion, how many variables are there?
True, sir.
Yes, what are that?
P and Q.
Yes, if there is a two variables, then how many cases will be arise?
4.
What are that? What are that?
True.
Yes,
True, false.
True, false.
yes, yeah.
False, true.
Okay, yeah. 1 minute. This is the some more lengthy problem, very easy problem, very easy problem, but lengthy problem. I will write from here to her. Yes, total 4 cases. Tell me.
True, false. False,
Yes.
true.
Hmm.
False, false.
Yes, total 4 cases. Very good. So here there is a two variables. P. That's why we written P and Q and all the possible cases. Now we required P is completed. Next we require negation Q. Yes, just write first negation Q. Negation Q.
Q.
Yeah. Now tell me,
False,
already you
true.
know. Yes. Q.
False, true. False, true.
Yes, false, true. False,
False,
true.
true.
Okay, very good. Completed. Okay, this over. Now see the small brackets. First see the small bracket. What is this? P join negation Q. P join negation Q means P already there and the negation Q is also there in our table. Now we require P not join, just read as R. P R
Yeah,
negation.
negation.
Yes. Yes, yes. Just write PR negation Q.
Q.
Yeah. See the only see these two columns only. Here first this is junction. Already you know the disjunction. What is the disjunction table? Anyone please tell me? What is the disjunction table?
If both conditions are
If
false, it's false. In all the other
remaining
cases,
all the conditions would be true.
Yes, you are right. You are right. If the both conditions, both statements also false, then only false. In the all other cases are true. So that's why see TF.
true,
TF true.
True.
TT
true,
yes. FF
false,
False.
FT yes.
True.
You are right. You are right. Now come to the next one.
P
This
and
is the
Q.
yeah. Now we have to take P and Q. Why? Because first we have to complete what are in the small brackets. Okay, are you understand? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
first
Yes,
take
sir.
the small brackets. Yeah, that means I will write here, this bracket is completed. This bracket is completed. Now we have to complete this bracket.
P and Q.
P, yes, P and Q, very good. P and Q. P and Q means what are the, we have to consider the first two. This is P and
If
Q.
both conditions are true, is true. In all other cases, it is false.
Yes, yes, you are right. Both conditions are true, then only P and
True.
Q is true. Otherwise, it is false. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah. See the okay. See the only first two columns. First two
True.
columns P and Q. True.
False,
Yes.
false,
Yes.
false.
Very good. You are right. Okay. The two all small brackets are completed. Now we can take the entire. Entire means already these two. First we have to take these two. Already you know the first bracket value, already you know. Already you know the truth table of the second bracket. Now we have to combine these two. Combine these two means see this red mark. Already written here. Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Now we have to take P or negation Q. Already you know this truth table. Already you know this truth table. Biconditional, and already you know P and Q. These truth tables already you know. Already we constructed. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now this one. So now we have to consider the only these last two columns only. So biconditional. Before discussing the problem, first tell me what is the truth table of conditional. Conditional. What is the truth table of conditional statement? Are you understand?
Both
No.
Go
First
false.
one.
all are true, sir,
Ah,
except for the truth
yes.
on the left is false.
Yes. The
Yeah.
first statement is true. The second statement is false. Then the conditional statement is false. In the all other cases are true. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That means simply I will write here T. Simply I will write here. All of you observe. What is the biconditional? I will write here T biconditional F gives the false. In the all the other cases are true. Am I right? Have you
Yes,
observed
correct,
here?
sir.
Yeah, this is keep this one. The first one is true, second one is false. Then the conditional is false. In the all the other three cases, it is true. This is the this is the truth table. If you know the truth table, you can solve any problem. See the first one. This one. P join negation Q true. P and Q
True,
true. Therefore, the result is
true,
true. The next one.
false,
Next.
false, true,
The next.
True. False.
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 Yes. This is the problem. Are you understand?
Sir,
Tell me.
sir,
Tell
can you
me.
explain again about the conditional statements? I was having a hard time finding it to understand the conditional statement. I mean, it's about hypothesis and conclusion, right? Can you please explain about the truth table of this compound?
Okay. Sure. Just a minute. Yeah. Can you solve this type of problems?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Before go, just your friend asked a doubt. That's why I will explain that one. After that, we can solve the remaining problems. Yeah. See, you asked about the conditional statement. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
This is the conditional statement. Already given the brief, many examples here. But what is the conditional statement? Once see here. Conditional statement. Conditional statements means this is the one side arrow. One side, right side arrow. Right side arrow means see, let P and Q be proportions. Okay, P and Q are two proportions. The conditional statement P conditional Q. P conditional Q means P right side arrow Q is the proportion. Is the proportion. What is the proportion? If P, then Q. If Q, what is the meaning of if P, then Q? If P is happened, then Q is happened. In general meaning. In general meaning is if P is happened, then only Q is happened. This is the in general meaning. But in mathematically, what is the meaning of this one? P conditional Q means P conditional Q means in mathematically we applied the total 4 cases. That 4 cases see here. This is the truth table. What is the P conditional Q? If P is true, then Q is also true. If P is false, F is false. See, both are true. Then P conditional Q is true. First one is true. Second one is false. Then P conditional Q is false. The first one is false. The second one is true. Then P conditional Q is true. First both are false. Then P conditional Q is false. So according to mathematical logic, we applied the meaning of P conditional Q is the first one is true and second one is false. In this case only P conditional Q is false. This is the mathematical symbol. Are you understand? Are you understand, my dear students?
Sir,
Mathemat-
yes, sir, I get it, sir. Can you deliberate the process with an example, sir? Like with a sample.
Yeah, I will explain the examples. So see this one. Yeah. These are the similar meanings. Just see this example here. See this example. For example, okay, the plates many politicians make when running for office. That means at the time of campaigning before the election, already you know the many politicians go to campaignings. Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes. In this case, what happened? If I am elected, then I will lower taxes. Okay. In the election campaigning, one politician given one statement or one offer. What is that offer? If I am elected, then I will reduce your taxes. House taxes or many taxes, some offer, not taxes, anything. If I elected, then I will lower your taxes. In this one, there is a 4 cases will be rise. What are that? See the first cases. If the politician is elected, the voters would expect this politician to lower the taxes. Yes or no? If the politician is elected, then what happened? Voters will wait for their offers. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is the first case. See the second one. Furthermore, if the politician is not elected, suppose the politician is not elected in that election, then what happened? Voters will not have any expectation from the politician. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is the second case. Now come to the third case. All the persons may have sufficient influence to case those in power to lower taxes. See the third case. What is the third case? Although the person may have sufficient influence to case these in the power to lower the taxes. In case that means suppose the politician will elect, then they have some power to reduce the taxes. Maybe they have the power after electing the after, suppose if he elect in the election, suppose he elected, then there is some inflation to reduce the taxes. Come to the fourth case. If it is only when the politician is elected, but not, clearly understand here. Clearly understand. It is only when the politician is elected, but not lower the taxes, that voters can say, clearly understand, the voters can say that the politician has broken the campaigning offers or pledge. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Suppose he elected, but he is not implemented their offers. At the time, what happened? At the time, what happened? Some opposition will be rise. Am I right? Yeah. These four cases will be rise in this conditional statement. Are you understand these four?
Yes, sir,
or
got
no?
it.
Yeah. See the first statement. See P. The politician is elected, and after elected, he reduced the taxes. Therefore, the statement is true. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
All of you.
Yes, sir.
Truth. See the truth table. P means politician elected. Q, politician already implemented their offers. Then the statement is true. The second one, politician is true. P, politician is elected, but he didn't implemented their taxes. That's why it is wrong. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The second one, third one, politician is not elected, may be implemented or may not be implemented. Then it is also true. Yes or no? No, there is no pressure to politician. Why? Because he already lose their opportunity in that election. So F means politician not elected, but he implemented the taxes. That's why this is also true. Politician is
Not elected.
lose their opportunity in the election. That's why he did not implemented their pledge or their offers. It is also true. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
that
sir.
is the truth table. This is the real-time example to you. Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Why it is true? The second statement, TFF. See the second case. Politician is elected, but he is not implemented their pledge. That's why it is false. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is my dear students. That is the conditional. Now come to the problems. These are the problems. Already we discussed this problem. This problem already we discussed. This lengthy problem also we discussed. Now these are the problem. This problem you will solve in our home. Already I given the answers and already I solved these problems. This problem is also already solved. This problem is also I solved. These are also already here. There is a solved problems. Okay, you will practice. These are all problems in our home. In the tomorrow's class, I will start the new topic. Any
Yes,
doubts
sir.
in this one? Anyone
No.
have any doubts? But
No,
one
sir.
thing,
No, sir.
negation also denoted by this symbol also. See this one. Negation also denoted by this symbol also. But once again, I am telling you, today afternoon, everyone should submit the assignment.
Yes, sir.
That is mandatory for everyone. Why? Because tomorrow I will give the some more problems what are in the previous papers. Are you okay? Are
Yes,
you
sir.
okay? Yeah, that is. Yeah, everyone submit the assignment today evening. Anyone have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Once again, I am telling you, already I posted Tembly and Manohar test book. In the test book, you have to solve all the problems, even exercise problems also. Do you have doubt? Tell me, I will explain. Otherwise, everyone should solve all the problems what are in the test book. Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can I close the session?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you all of you. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.